welcome back to another video. So we're gonna be doing the new Dollhouse Tour. So yeah, so we removed the shelves, as you could see. There's something really new, but we did get this really cute coffee table, and I'm obsessed with it. I just love it so much. Then we added that new plant there, and yeah, it's pretty much the same. But here's an overview, and I really just love it. Next, we're going on to the kitchen. So we did put more stuff in here. We got this little coffee cart, a hot chocolate stand. I made that little picture, and then yeah, so I really love this a lot. We added little details and the fruits, and then we also have this the washer and dryer and the little cabinets. The other ones don't open though, but that's fine. I wouldn't use them. I don't think so. Anyways, here's a little overview of the kitchen, just so you could see. Next, we're gonna move on to the bathroom. So in the bathroom, we have the mirrors. Then we fixed the sinks. My mom made those. And then over here, we have the bathtub with all of their products, which I really love. Then we have their little plants, the succulents on the little thing. Then we have the toilet that my mom also made, which is really cute. I love that toilet. We have these little counters, which have their cleaning supplies and their like curlers, makeup and stuff. And then over here on the counter, we have some tissues, their toothbrushes, soap, and some shaving cream. Next, we're gonna go to the Surfer Girls room. So this is the little pictures. That's the AG Jitters poster, which I love. This is the bedding, and I really love the bedding. And then we have their little photo grid with their little plant, which we got from Michael's. We got all of the plants here from Michael's. Well, most of them. Then we got this little dried grass from also Michael's. And we got the little clock from Daiso. And I really love it. Then we got the little guitar. And over here's her desk. We have some more plants from Michael's. And then she has some Mentos on her desk. She has her little calculator and her computer. And her Starbucks, of course. And then she has her backpack. That's Joss's backpack with her dog. And we also have another little cart. It just has some sweets on it, some shoes, a Rubik's Cube, and just a bunch of little candies. And then her iconic picture. Next, we're going to be going to the boho room. So this is probably one of my favorite rooms. I love all the plants up there. They're all from Michael's, which I love. Then we got this. We made this. The bed, which is amazing, and then it has a Safina thing on it. Then we have the little tote bag, which we got the dresser from Michael's. We have some perfumes on there, Joss's cheer palette, and then yeah. Then we have the butterflies. Then we also got this dried grass from Michael's. Then we have that same little table that came in the pack with the one in the living room. Then we have their dog, and this is overall one of my favorite rooms. So yeah. Next, we're at my little sister's room. Yeah, she plays a lot in here, as you can tell, but it's a part of the dollhouse, so we had to add it because yeah. But she has all her little stuff on it, and she has her little Chibiusa picture. And then this is, oh yeah, she has a little chandelier because she's extra. And then this is her little, her desk, and she has a little chair with a backpack, her rug, and a dog. We have too many dogs in this house. So this is the door, and these are the little shutters we got from Target, and I love them. They're little window shutters. So this is the overview of the dollhouse, and yeah, enjoy. Bye guys, see you guys in the next video, and hope you have a great day. So bye.